कुटबण जेटीच्या संयुक्त पोवणे उपरांत थंयच्या नितळसाणीचेर गंभीर हुस्को सध्या निर्माण जाला। जेटीचेर आशिल्ली सुलभ शौचालयाची देखरेख जावंक ना, ते भायर नव्या जेटीचेरूय गरजेची अशी नितळसाण बाळगूंक नाशिल्ल्याचें नदरेक पडलें, अशें गोवा कॅनाचो निमंत्रक रोलंड मार्टिन्सन सांगलें। देखून नुस्तेमारी हंगामा पयलींच जेटीचेर नितळसाण राखली ना जाल्यार कामगारांक कॉलेरा, डायरिया तशेंच जॉन्डिस सारक्या दुयेंसांक तोंड दिवचें पडटलें असोय हुस्को ताणें उक्तायलो। मंगरा गोवा कॅन नुस्तेमारी खातें, भलायकी केंद्र आनी बोटींच्या दनिया वांगडा केल्ले संयुक्त पोवणे उपरांत तो उलयतालो।
So as today, as part of the inspection process today, we have made a recommendation to the health officer that the workers at the fishing jetty should have an OPD facility on a weekly basis at the fisheries complex. Now you see these workers, they are exposed to the sun, they are exposed to 10 days on the boat. So there are a lot of challenges to their health that they would face. And therefore, like any other beneficiaries of a health center, the workers on these boats also should be provided with this facility. And already there is a designated room that has been allocated to them. We have spoken to doctor today that very importantly, during the month of May, also as the heat wave has been announced and precautions regarding the heat wave, some advisory should be made available to the workers on these boats. And whatever facilities any other resident would get at a primary health center, that should be made available. And we are hoping that this OPD will function in a full-fledged manner in time, that when the season starts again after monsoons, they will be able to have this benefit. Other troubling point we have found is lack of proper water availability. One thing here at the Sulabh toilet facility, and we have also seen there is a lack of water at the jetty. So I think the fisheries department needs to make a comprehensive review of what are the water requirements at the jetty. So whether it's for drinking, whether it's for washing, hand wash, or whatever facility, there if there tanks have to be built, then tanks have to be put in place. But without proper water facility, it will put the entire fishing operation in great difficulty. And finally, the condition of in which the workers will have to work will be in jeopardy. And therefore, we are of the opinion, and we will make a representation also to the Director of Fisheries to review the water facilities, so that after the monsoon, when the season starts, full-scale fishing season starts, the water requirements will be adequately taken care of.